told you.
Wake up.
What happened? Where am I? What's going on? Ah. Worry. It's like it's a trap house. I need to get up out of here. Who did this? Show yourselves!
You all may be wondering why you're here.
Who said that?
You all are here because you did something wrong. Now you're here to confess your sins. And the truth will set you free.
I ain't do nothing. What do you mean?
All of you here have did something wrong.
What do you mean?
Now you're here to confess for it.
This is freaking me
Play
out.
by the rules. It's simple. And then you'll be free to go.
This is really freaking me out.
It's simple. Play by the rules, you live.
Play by what rules?
The rules of survival. You survive, congratulations to you.
Let us out of here!
Good luck to you all.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm out here.
No! Oh my God. Are you okay? Are you alright, bro? Ooh. You okay, bro?
Do it look like I'm worried?
That guy's not kidding. Not. And if you keep on yelling at us, I'm gonna kick you over. So
We're not gonna stick around with you.
but you're lucky. You think you'll get up with a broken foot? Help me! Come on, gotta get out this trap house.
This is what happens when you don't play by the rules. You have to play by the rules in order to survive the game.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Confess your sins and you'll survive the game. The truth will set you free. This is the next step inside the game. You always just place yourself on top of a glue trap that you didn't know. The first person to break out of the glue trap has the option to press the red button to kill the two people left on the glue trap, or the green button to save you all. Whoever breaks out, the choice is yours. Good luck to you all. Enjoy your game.
Why did you do this? Help us! Help us! Help us! Help us! We helped you! Help us! Help! Help us! Help! Help! Help!
Screw you!
No!
You have made your choice. You selected the red button.
Why did you do that? So you're Jigsaw. Why would you do this?
My name's not Jigsaw. My name's John Ray. Jigsaw is what the newspapers, the internet critics call me.
Why are you
I
doing
took no
this?
encouragement to that name.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Because all of you had did something wrong in your life, and now payback's coming to you. Jaden, do you want to play a game? You are about to play a test. The test that you had first time with DMAR wasn't your first test. This is your first test. You guys are going to have to be tested on your trustworthy skills.
Listen what he
Sit
says.
down.
Listen what he says. Don't play by the rules.
That's exactly right. You have to play by the rules in order to survive the game. You live through the game, you get to walk out here free. You have to follow the rules of the game. It's simple. As soon as I tell them, listen. Don't listen, you die. Jaden, Kraft, Dominic, Patrick. I want to play again.
Then why did you choose us? Why did you choose us?
Because I used to be his neighbor. I used to work with you. I know all you guys is bad. I know both of you two's bad history and what you've done in the past. Now you're living up for it. You guys are about to play again. Are you ready? Prepare yourselves for what's about to happen next. You guys' game is simple. All you have to do is follow by the rules. This is a trustworthy game. One that you all have to live by. Today, you are seeing your life flash before your eyes. You guys know deep inside your souls that you did something wrong. Think of this as your death penalty. Your last chance to live. The choice is yours. Jaden, Dalvin, you have to trust each other in order to pass this game.
I don't know what game you're doing, old man, but you're not about to boss me around.
You didn't make the wrong decision. Are you ready for your game? I'm about to set you free. You do not have the choice to run. There's nowhere where you can run. You run, you die. Both. You have to play by the rules of the game. Now here's the game. Before you woke up, I planted a key inside one of you. Luckily, Demar wasn't one of you with the key. It was one of you two. One of you has the key. One of you has to trust the other one to let them cut open your stomach to find the key. Now, I'm gonna give you a hint before I go. The key is beyond blue. Good luck to you both.
Wait! How can we get off? These are good traps.
You will be set free in 3 seconds. 3,
Big stretch.
2, 1.
I have it. Well, sorry. No, I just met you. Let me get slapped. Now you got this key. Sorry, I just met you, bro. Gotta get sliced and diced. Don't do it! Ah! 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 The key's not there.
Now Jane is dead. You guys didn't follow the rules of the game. I said the key was beyond blue. The key's inside you. Now, were you actually willing to cut yourself open to set you free?
I'm gonna die anyway, so no.
That's the whole twist. See, no one lives to survive the games.
Hold! 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 Ah!
realize you're all alone. Now everybody's dead. Game over.